Alec, kamusta ang off-season? Of course, excited kayo dahil sa mga nangyayari recently.
Yes, for sure. I don't know, man. We've been working really hard this off-season. What we want to make sure we build on yung past season namin, which is, I don't know, puro short sa quarterfinals. So we're working on trying to get over that and hopefully winning a championship. Of course. That's everybody's goal.
May Twin Towers na kayo. Meron na kayong three-guard with you, Shawnee, and Juan.
Yes, po.
So how big is it na si Juan nasa inyo na?
He's a really big help. He's able to do he's able to do a lot on the floor. He can dribble. He can create. He can create for himself, for his teammates, and also do it both ends of the floor.
Alec, last season, medyo parang umangat yung laro mo, especially nung Governor's Cup when you push San Miguel to a decider. Parang kinari mo rin yun into the next two conferences. Gano'ng kalaking bagay yun going to this season?
Sa akin naman, it's a big boost in terms of experience kasi before that, we weren't really doing much. Actually, if I'm not mistaken, we were last sa ayun, redemption in a way na kasi gusto namin manalo, and I try to work on my skills in the off season, and then fruitful enough na lumabas siya nung last season.
A lot of people are saying baka spoiler kayo sa SMC, TNT, sa championship, your thoughts on yun nga, people are putting you into the title discussions.
I hope so. Pero alam mo naman, they're the contending team, especially the defending champs, San Miguel. So we want to make sure we're able to compete with them, the talking tracks, the numbers, those top teams. So we don't want to put ourselves up there, but we want to make sure that we're able to compete with those teams, and then hopefully get over the hump.